In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a group on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to create a group on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into the tutorial steps. Open your X account. Look for the group icon or option, usually represented by an icon that signifies group creation. Click on it. You'll be directed to a page where you can set up your group. Select the accounts or users you want to include in this group. Once you've selected the accounts, proceed by clicking on the Create button. Your group should now be created and ready to use. By following these simple steps, you can create a group within your X account to manage and engage with specific accounts more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.